In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format your comment on Reddit. When you're scrolling through Reddit, you've probably noticed that some comments stand out more than others. They might have clear paragraphs, emphasize words, or cleaner structure that makes them easier to read. The good news is, you don't need to know any complicated code to do this. Reddit provides simple tools right in the comment box to help you format your text quickly and cleanly. First, start by choosing the post you want to comment on. This might be a question you want to answer, a discussion you want to join, or a meme you just have to react to. Tap or click on the post title to open it fully. This is important because you will only see the full commenting interface when the post is open on its own page. Once the post is open, scroll down until you see the comment section. Look for the box that usually says something like "add a comment" or "what are your thoughts?" That is your main comment box. Click or tap inside that box to activate it. As soon as you do, you'll see the text cursor appear, which means you're ready to start typing your comment. Now, before you start writing a long response, take a look at the tools around that box. On the web version of Reddit, and in most versions of the app, you'll see a small AA icon. This icon represents the formatting options for your text. Go ahead and click or tap on that AA button. When you open these formatting options, Reddit will show you a toolbar that helps you style your text. Depending on the platform, you might see options to bold or italicize text, create lists, add headings, or insert links and quotes. Even if you don't use every option, it's helpful to know they're there. For example, you can break up longer comments into shorter, readable sections, or highlight keywords so your main point is clear. As you type in the comment box, you can apply these formatting tools to any part of your text. If you change your mind, you can always click the same option again to remove that formatting. When your comment looks the way you want and reads clearly, you're ready to post it and join the conversation with a well-formatted